Good day mga Lods. We have an unboxing vlog today. So I bought this microphone for my vlogging camera because I'm planning to go to what's that Auto Museum and Long Salt Lake. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to try this one. We have an unboxing today. Okay. Let's see what's inside. How it looks like. Alright. So this is the microphone. Alright. Microphone. Pouch, cover, cables. Okay, let's try it. We're going to set this up. Put the cable here. Okay. Turn on the camera. Turn on the camera. Camera on. Okay. Put this one here. Lock it up. Wait. I think it's in the wrong position. So it's like this. It should be like this, yeah. Port is like this. And insert the cable to camera. And yes, we're ready for vlogging. Let's try it.